Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you how to do basic maintenance to keep your Eufy robot vacuum running like new. Robot vacuums need regular cleaning and maintenance because their parts are smaller compared to regular ones. If you don't, after a few months you'll end up with barely any suction and something looking like this, especially if you have pets. So if your robot starts making weird noises, gets stuck, or it's cleaning performance jobs, this video is for you. The great thing about Eufy is that you can find almost any spare part you need, and I'll leave all the links in the description. Let's start with the roller brush. This is the most crucial part and especially vulnerable to long hair. If your robot isn't picking up dirt like it used to, it's time to clean or replace the roller. If it's covered in hair, you can use the roller detangling feature in the app. Once activated, the vacuum will spin the roller fast and use a cutting blade to cut through the tangled hair. Of course, for the best performance, it's still a good idea to manually clean the roller every now and then. When you remove the roller guard, you'll probably see a lot of hair buildup, which can slow down or block the roller from spinning and damage the motor. Make sure to clean the roller and its compartment before putting everything back together. Also check that these rubber strips and the rubber scraper on the guard aren't worn out, otherwise replace the part. Now let's move on to the dustbin. If it's just covered in dust with no sticky residue or anything strange inside, you can simply remove and clean the filter. But I highly recommend cleaning the entire bin with soapy water every 6 months. To clean the filter, use a toothbrush and dish detergent. Then make sure it's completely dry before using the robot again. If the side brushes don't spin freely, look damaged, or the bristles are worn out, just remove the screw, take off the brush, and clean out any accumulated hair. Then place a new brush in position and secure it tightly with a screw. If the caster wheel gets clogged with hair, it can stop spinning freely, causing the robot to move erratically and drain the battery faster. To fix it, just use a flat screwdriver to remove the wheel and clean out any trapped debris. Don't forget to clean the caster assembly as well, along with the sensors that check if the wheel is spinning properly. Put the caster back in place, aligning it with the notch. Then push the wheel in until it clicks into place. If your robot's battery isn't holding up like it used to, you can easily replace it. Just remove these two screws, take off the cover, pull out the battery, and disconnect the connector by pressing the latch. Then connect the new battery and put the cover back in place. Now let's talk about the sensors. On the bottom of your robot vacuum you'll find proximity sensors that help you detect if it's near an edge or drop, like stairs, so it can stop and avoid falling. Make sure these are nice and clean. There are also mechanical and optical sensors behind the bumper. If your robot keeps bumping hard into walls and other objects, it might be time to clean those sensors. To do that, remove the screws holding the bumper lip. Once removed, you can detach the bumper. You'll find several proximity sensors here, and as you can see, they're covered in dust. Clean them with a brush or a Q-tip. These plastic levers are mechanical sensors, and they can break from hard impacts, so make sure they're in place and still springy. Don't forget to clean the bumper itself. Then put everything back in place. If your bumper is cracked or damaged, that's how you can replace it. Finally, give your robot a good wipe down and it'll be as good as new, ready for use.